this is Mode Raptor here. Welcome back to my channel, and it's a very long time that after I'm uploading a next video, and probably I made a small modification on my RC390. We'll just show to you what is that. And here we go. That's a new tail tidy. I have taken out the stock indicators too, and now the number plate is more inside of the bike. You can see these are the new indicators. For this you have to make a hole, means drill a hole on this fiber on the rear cowl, and yeah, it's bright enough. And if you can see, the number plate is clearly visible, so I don't think that it shouldn't be illegal to do such stuff. Hope you can see the indicator blinking. Yeah, the blinking rate is fast now, but it's fine. But at least it's looking more clean than before, and I like this new look. So sorry about that, my bike is a little bit dirty. Already the rainy season has started, so didn't get the time to clean it, so just wanted to make a vlog on it. So this is both the indicators flashing at a single time due to that hazard light flasher circuit. So without that tire hugger it will look more beautiful, but as it's rainy season I had to install it. Otherwise due to the tail tidy, the water comes over my head, and most probably the guy riding behind me will get fucking irritated. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you liked it, and hope you liked my new mod also. It's just a small change, but okay. Hope you like it. Thank you, and do like it. Do give it a thumbs up, and you're welcome.